without your harmony. Drowning in his light, drowning in his light, bathing in my tears. Point which way is right, yeah. Swallowing my fears, or tumbling at sound, yeah, of organ's final chord, irony metallic, like blood upon a sword. Adrian.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Me and Mia made a melody. Nick is near, we need to hear some cello, please. A nick a nugget knocked me on my fucking noggin. A lot of alliteration, now I sound obnoxious. I write it and record it, mix it all on Logic. Allegra D, I'm still allergic to the nonsense. This acid threw my psyche right into a mosh pit. Spit the same fire that I used to forge my weapons. Spitting off the top, do this by the second. Never reckless, only reckon. Yeah, spilling water, goddamn, feeling like I'm in a well. Spitting fire, now I'm feeling like hell. Set sail, like Mel.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a vlog. If you're new here, hi, it's Vicky Mak with a K, and I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get an update every time I show face. I just got back. You saw me getting ready earlier. I unfortunately didn't have time to actually talk through what I was doing. I had to go to the traffic department to register the car, and then I had to go get license plates. I've done both of them, so that's good. I just need to get the license, the number plates. I just need to get the number plates installed. I don't know where I'm gonna go. Apparently I need not a nut locker, I forgot what he said it was, but I need one of those things. I actually got home, I got a chai latte and a ginger cookie, so I'm gonna have that for breakfast. So I had split yeah, so I'm gonna have this while working. But there's something that I want to unbox during lunch, like when I take my break. I'm gonna unbox something. It's probably in the title, it's probably in the thumbnail, but like I'm still not gonna unbox it now. I got it on Thursday, but I wanted to wait for a vlog before I could unbox it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Made by Birdie Beats.
Okay, so I lied. I thought I could wait like till lunch before unboxing this, but I want to listen to music while I work. So I might need to unbox this right now. So as per the thumbnail and the title and everything else in between, we are unboxing my AirPods. I am so excited, guys. I'm so excited because ever since I got my phone, I can't use my normal earphones. Like I can't use this on this because it doesn't have a port, right? So I've been struggling. I do have Bluetooth earphones, but the only thing about them is that they only last like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, so the battery runs out very quickly. So that's the one pet peeve I have about them, is that the battery runs out very quickly. So it means that I'm gonna sit for about 2 hours while the earphones charge without listening to anything, and music helps me concentrate, so I enjoy listening to music while I work whenever I can. Obviously there are times where you can't listen to music and be in a meeting or something, whatever, but whenever I can, I always try to listen to music. So let me clear the space and let us unbox the AirPods. So excited. Okay, so here we are. We have the box. It says AirPods, and there's a picture of what they look like here. So now I just need to cut the back. Just gonna cut that. Oh, and at the back we have a picture of what they look like, I guess. Let us open. And come on. Excuse my nails. I didn't do my nails, but I'm sure we can live with that. And then we peel this. So this is just a pamphlet. It says Airpods. And like an instruction manual, basically tells you how to pair them. I think I'm gonna need to read this when I try to pair my AirPods, but I think I've watched enough tutorials. So let us open these babies. Oh guys. Okay, so I think I need to pull that, right? And then we pull this off like that. I am so excited. I'm way too excited about these. And they're so small, guys. Like, they fit in the palm of my hands. Like, they literally fit in the palm of my hands. And then, I think if you lift this box, they're supposed to give you cable. So, it comes with a charger cable. It sucks because it comes with this thing, the USB. And the new chargers for, like, my iPhone is a USB type C, but it's okay, you can never have too many cables. So I'm just gonna put everything back. Let me read the manual on how to pair these things. This is my home screen. How cute is my home screen, guys? So cute, so cute. Anyway, so I am going to make sure that my Bluetooth is on. Then I'm gonna grab my case and I'm gonna swipe up. Oh, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna say connect, and it says connecting. I'm gonna set this up later. Close AirPods, sorry, close AirPods. So my case is already charged about 73%, and then my earphones are on 87%, so I don't have to charge them. That is so cool. That is so cool. In the art of manifestation, I was at Typo sometime last year, and I obviously didn't have AirPods, right? But I got these. I'm just gonna open this. But I got these. These are AirPod sleeves. I got sleeves for my AirPods. I was calling them cases all along. Oops. But I got sleeves for my AirPods before I even had AirPods. Manifestation much. So I'm gonna put these in their sleeves. And like this. So it's like in a cute little sleeve like this. So cute, and I can still open and close and do everything that I need to do. But I think I'm gonna get new sleeves. These ones feel very flimsy. Okay guys, so I am on my break. It's my lunch break, but I know I could probably do this tomorrow, but I'm gonna do it today. I want to make a quick run to the mall. There are a few things that I want to get, so I'm gonna go on today just to see if I can find anything, and then I'll be back by 2 o'clock, and then I can start working again. So
we beat this shit murder for hire, saying Mr. Remember to kill him softly. Climbing up this hill, see demons can't get them off me, yelling damn homie. In high school you was.
Hey guys, so I'm actually back in my place. I've been here for like since 2. I got here at exactly 2 o'clock. So I've been here for a minute and I've been working, and I forgot that I was vlogging. So I'm just gonna set up the camera here. I'm gonna continue working. I'm gonna work up until, I think I'll work up until 5 or 5:30, just to work back the time that I spent in the morning. I think I spent about an hour in the morning. We're working. What else can I say? I think this is one of the things that no one ever really tells you about being a trainee, is that, well, at least in audit, I don't know about other fields, but when you're a trainee in audit, you will have to work overtime every now and then. It's just, it is what it is. You have to get the job done. You have to meet your deadlines.
Man, homie, coolest nigga in the room, ain't got no fans, homie. But that shit temporary. Yeah, I'm about my cream, just like Ben and Jerry's. If I get a meal, first trip is to the cemetery. Gabe throwing beats next to hustler in the dictionary. Yeah, that's a hood legend. This shit gospel, have your hands in the air like a good question. Yeah, all these hood lessons made a nigga who I am. They turned out to be some good blessings. But yeah, the nigga still stressing.
So I'm finally done for the day. Just shut off my laptop. I am tired, but I made it. I actually made it through those 6 hours. I went to Value Co to get a few things, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. And basically I want to start journaling. I just feel like I have a lot of thoughts that just keep coming and going, and I feel like I'm at a point where I have so many goals, and because I'm not trying to actively keep track of my goals and I'm not writing my thoughts down, I'm like I lose trail. Like, I will have an idea today, and lately, because I have a roommate, so lately I'll tell Lebo my ideas. Like, whenever I have an idea, I'll tell her, I'm like, dude, 1 2 3, please remind me. In case I ever forget, or in case I ever want to film something, please remind me to do 1 2 3. And every now and then she will be like, when I mentioned doing a certain activity, she's like, oh, the other day you said you wanted to do 1 2 3 this way. Then I'm like, okay. But I feel like I can't keep using her as a human diary, so I want to start journaling. And basically I went to go get stuff for that, and also because I needed a diary for 2021. So I am just going to show you guys what I got. I'll explain it as I go. But the first thing that I got is this pink journal. I had to choose between this pink journal and a gold one. The gold one was really nice, but I ended up going with this pink one, and I'm going to show you why just now. So the reason why I chose this pink journal is because it has, let me just open it. It's because it has this little pen tab here. I don't know if you can see. It has a pen tab like here, so I'd be able to put my pen in there, and in instances where I'm not home, I can always rest assured that my journal and the pen are closed. So it's just a plain journal. It's just normal lined pages. I believe it's like maybe 140 pages. Not too many pages, but it's enough to get me started. And it has this thing. I like this in journals. It's a small little thing, like a bookmark or something that's really small, but you won't understand how much of a difference it makes. So this is going to be my daily journal. This is going to be the journal that I write everything in, all my thoughts. So I want to start the habit of journaling. So far I want to start doing it in the morning. Lately I have this bad habit of, when I wake up, I'll spend like an hour, sometimes even 2 hours, sometimes even 3 hours. Like, I'll spend some time just scrolling through my phone mindlessly. And I wake up pretty early. Like, I wake up at 5 every single day. Sometimes earlier. I'll run out of sleep at like 3. If I went to bed early, or if I had a lot of coffee, I normally tend to wake up slightly earlier. So I figured if I can develop a habit of just spending the first 30 minutes of every single day doing something productive and something that's going to help me, then I'll be in a better place. So I've decided that for 15 minutes every single day, 15 minutes is a very short period of time, so for 15 minutes every single day I'm going to try and write something down. If this does end up being a successful habit, then I'll probably do a video about it and how it's helped me out. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. I suck at habits, but I'm gonna really put an effort in this one. You guys can be my accountability partners, so it's up to you to remind me how that habit went. Okay,